so green, red roses too. I see them blooming for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue and clouds of white, the brightest day, the darkest night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces, people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Everything saying, I love you. I babies cry, I watch them grow, they let much spoil, till I'll never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.